Heather, and I have some exciting news to share with you. We are standing on our brand new entrance, which is shifted over to make way for the Galapagos construction, which is coming to you in 2022. Here at our brand new entrance, we have some beautiful new features, like our new Houston Zoo sign with our tagline, "See 'em, save them." As you walk through our main entrance, you will bypass some beautiful new ticket booths. These ticket booths are awesome and super user friendly, but at the moment, please remember to still purchase your tickets online. As we walk past our ticket booths, it opens up to a beautiful courtyard. This is our brand new McGovern Plaza. This plaza has a wide open space with plenty of seating for you and your family to enjoy as you're here at the Houston Zoo. And I know I'm super excited about all the changes that are happening here at the zoo, and so is one of my very special friends. Now, you may recognize him from the Children's Zoo. He's super cute and he's super adorable. It's our North American porcupine, Ernie. Can you wave, Ernie? Can you say hello? Oh. Ernie is with one of our Children's Zoo supervisors, Danielle. Again, Ernie is a North American porcupine and he is about 12 years old. They can live about 18 and weigh to 11 to 20 pounds. Ernie has about 300,000 quills that cover his whole body, besides his face, feet, and belly. And there is a common myth that comes with North American porcupines, but it's that they can shoot their quills out at their predators. But they can't. Quills are made out of keratin, just like your hair, and just like your hair, it falls out to make room for new hair to grow. Now, as of right now, you may not see any quills on Cody, and that's because they are covered by his long guard hairs. These guard hairs help protect his quills, but if he was to feel nervous or threatened, he would raise those guard hairs, expose their quills to make himself look big and dangerous. North American porcupines are fantastic swimmers, thanks to those hollow quills, keeping them afloat. But they're even better climbers, so you'll see them spend days and nights up in a tree. North American porcupines are solitary animals, which means they prefer to be by themselves. But during the cool, cold winter months, they can be seen denning with other porcupines to help stay warm. Now, you may have noticed that Ernie was eating something orange, like sweet potatoes. Sweet potato is one of his favorite foods. He is an herbivore, which means he eats mostly fruits and veggies. Again, remember, sweet potato is his favorite. Oh. Again, this is Ernie, and he is our North American porcupine. He is about 12 years old, and he lives here in the Children's Zoo. And he is super excited to be out here for the first time, checking out all the new and beautiful space here at the McGovern Plaza. Thank you for asking a phenomenal question. How can you help save animals like Ernie in the wild? Simply by coming here to the Houston Zoo. Every time you visit the Houston Zoo, you help save animals in the wild. But you can also do your part at home by recycling your paper goods, since he does like to hang out in trees.
All right, say bye, Ernie.
North American porcupines are rodents, so their incisors, those front teeth, will grow for the rest of their lives. So it's important Ernie to chew and gnaw on things throughout the day to help wear those incisors down and keep them the perfect size. Out in the wild, porcupines are seen gnawing on antlers and barks of wood. He'll also dig or gnaw into the base of a tree or dig into the ground to make those dens to share with his friends. Remember during those cooler months where they like to hide out in dens? All because they're hiding in dens, they do not hibernate. They will come out to scavenge for food, but will return once they find their filling and back to their nice warm den. Nicholas, big question, what is their lifespan? Ernie is 12, they can live to about 18, and they can weigh about 11 to 20 pounds. This is Ernie, and he is our North American porcupine. Ernie is super smart. He knows a variety of behaviors to help us with his care, such as nail trimming. He lets us touch his nails and trim his nails. So he goes to the spa and gets a mani and pedi just like we do, guys.
What is he eating?
So Ernie is an herbivore. That means he likes to eat fruits and veggies. And his favorite food is sweet potato and melon.
Oh, just like you, Gigi.
Alice, why don't you go look over there?
Oh, yeah, of course. Sorry.
Alice, you want to look at that first?
Okay.
Want to look at Dale?
We're gonna wait. You'll have a turn of it.
Great question. Do they have a lifetime mate? North American porcupines do not. When they do have offspring, it's about 2 to 3 young, and their quills are super soft. But they do harden within about 2 days, and then the young are ready to leave their mom about 2 to 3 weeks. So super early. But that's okay. Mama works hard. She teaches them everything they need to know.
Yeah, you have. It's just that it's not sure.
So Danielle, she's going to try and show you Ernie's quills, which are protected, remember, through those guard hairs, those long, soft guard hairs. These quills he cannot throw. They easily fall out if you were to touch them, or if a predator was to touch them. Predators for Cody would be like wild dogs and cats, like cougars and bobcats.
A cat did scratch your mom.
His quills are always exposed on his tail. So you always have to watch out for that tail. Does Ernie have good hearing? He has good hearing. He does. He is able to recognize his trainer's voice, or like for example, Danielle, our supervisor's voice. He's also able to recognize the sound of his dad, which also lives here in the children's zoo. His name is Cody. So even though they live on their own, they are very vocal. They have several different vocalizations, such as groans, squeaks, whistles, and even teeth clanking. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We love having you. Ernie loves that you're here. And don't forget, every time you visit the Houston Zoo, you help save animals in the wild like Ernie. Say bye, Ernie.